welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the Husky again and hopefully resolving a problem which I believe might be the worst thing so far about this bike, and that is this instrument cluster wobbling about. Don't know if you can see that, but everything, oh, that needs tightening up, doesn't it? All of this though really bounces about and it does my Sweden. So I've got a part. So I bought this off Etsy the other day, and yeah, if it works I'll put a link in the description or a bit of a screenshot. It was just off Etsy, so can't remember, I think it was High Flex 3D or something. So it's all 3D printed, really nice finish on it, solid bit of kit, seems dead sturdy. So let's get it on the bike, or let's have a look and see how to get it on the bike, so I haven't actually looked yet. Basically fits on the inside of the screen, and yeah, we'll see. The T27 Torx bit, we're taking these two bolts out of the screen, so we'll get that done. In fact, we'll do it in fast motion. Voila. Looking at the front of the bike, it goes in that orientation, so you've got that T27 bolt there, and then I believe they're 27s as well, just in either side of the headlight. And then that, so that screw will come out, this will slot in, and then there's two spacers that come with it to bridge that gap, and two longer bolts. So let's take them out and have a goosey. They are tight. So with the set, you get two spacers and three bolts. Alright, so that is a 4mm Allen bolt. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to break it. Bit of lube and a bit more persuasion. Hopefully I haven't snapped whatever's in there. So he's out of there, pop the spacer in, which is a lovely fit. What are we on? 5 for the two side ones. You obviously have to re-index the headlight to make sure that them screws are going in. Solid that now. So we just needed the bottom in. And that, don't know if you can see that, but that has really stiffened everything up. And from a finished look point of view, I think that is absolutely bang on. Like, you wouldn't know that was not on the bike from the start, would you? Perfect. And that, honestly, that's, the whole bike is wobbling. Nice. I fitted this the other day. I was going to video it, but I thought, pretty sort of, everyone knows about quad lock, don't they? But I wish I did video it, because when you're wiring it up on these Huskies, for some reason, Husqvarna or KTM or whoever it is that built this bike, the wiring's back to front for us English folk. So the quad lock charger mount has 2 cables coming out of it, a red one and a black one, which is live and negative. And then the accessory cables that are underneath here, you would also think black, negative, red live, back to front. Don't know why. If anybody knows, please tell us, but that was most confusing. I need to give the ZZR a start up as well, so I'll do the old cold start video for the ZZR because she's not ran for a week or two. Oh baby. Right, I think that was successful, but we won't know until we give it a proper test out on the open road. So, short video, I know, but this week, in the next couple of days, I'm looking to do a fairly decent trip. I won't say where, but I'm going to be looking to spend a good portion of the day riding and then doing a camp at the end of it. So if that sounds like something you'd be into, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also hit that little bell icon, because then you'll get notified every time I put a video out. As I said before, I'll put links in the description for the thing off Etsy, and hopefully if I ever need anything else 3D printed, they might be kind to me and send me some, seeing as I've hooked them up with a video. But if that was useful for you, and you do think you're going to get one yourself, dead easy to fit and minimal tool and knowledge requirement, so please consider liking and subscribing and hit the bell icon, and I will catch you at the next one. Ta-da.